Hello, my friends, and welcome to another segment with the Rouser. And today, guys, we're going to be drawing a quick cartoon picture of Mr. I'll Be Back, Arnold Schwarzenegger. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we want to do, guys, is we want to figure out what shape we want to use for his head. Okay, so for this particular drawing here, we'll take our pencil and we're going to draw a nice square shape here. Okay, so this square is going to kind of represent everything from here up except the chin. The chin is going to fit on the outside of the square. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our little marker here and we're going to get started. Wait, oh, one more thing here, I forgot. You want to put where your center line is going to be, and then this is going to kind of be where your eye line is going to be. So we want to put it maybe about right here, because remember, we're going to be adding more length on the face here when we put the chin in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So here, what I'll do is I'll put my chin. It's kind of almost square there. Okay, you see how we did that? All right, and now we're going to come here, which is the eye line. Okay, and we're going to go from this line, we're going to go around the side of our shape and come into the jawline. Okay, now Arnold's a pretty big guy. You know, he's known to be a big guy. So what I'll do here, I'm not going to give him a real skinny neck. I don't know. I don't want to make it too big, so we'll do something like maybe about right here. Okay, so that looks good. All right, now let's add our ear shape. So we'll add this ear over here and do like this. And we want to just kind of look at the angle that the ear is. You don't want to make it too big. See how I followed the angle of that ear? And it's okay to beef it up a little bit. Beef it up means to add your own little twist to your shape. That's what, that'll come as you develop your own little style there. Now this is going to be the top of his hair here. Okay, now we see how his hair is going, kind of how it's going back. Okay, so what we want to do here is we're going to make some lines that go like this off the top of our little box, right? All right, and then we're going to come around here. I'm going to round it off a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to round off the edge of our box and bring it in. Okay, now let's do our hair shape. So what we'll do here is this. Okay, okay, now the next shape that we're going to do our side shape here. Okay, just like so. Okay, and then we're going to do our eyebrows here. I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and do our eyes first. We'll put the separator in between the eyes, right? And we'll do something like this. Okay. And then we'll add these little eyeballs in there, just like that. It wouldn't be Arnold without his eyebrows. Okay, and now we're going to add his nose here. I'm going to go with a nice flat shape almost like that. So you see how simple and easy that shape is right there? Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our mouth shape. So what I like to do with the mouth you'll just draw a little line here, kind of representing corner to corner, how big your mouth is going to be. And then we'll just kind of say, okay, this is kind of how our mouth does. Okay. I'm looking at how much of the mouth goes above the line and then how much goes below the line. Okay. Now we'll just add some age lines in because Arnold, you know, he's been around for a while. He'll be back. Okay, then I'm going to draw my cheekbones here. So a little bit of the cheekbones, just a little bit here. And those will feed back into this shape. You see how this is kind of pointing at that right there? Okay. And then we'll put our little forehead wrinkles there. The side of the nose. And then we want to go ahead and cleft his chin out right there. Put a little butt chin right there. Okay. And then I'll tell you what. We're going to put Arnold on a tie, right? I'm going to put Arnold in his Terminator jacket. Remember how he was in the Terminator? Okay. And I'm running out of paper here, but it's okay. Okay. So after we've done that part of the drawing, guys, and hopefully you're able to keep up there, we'll go ahead and we will erase our guidelines. Remember, the first thing we did was decide what would be the basic shape of the head without the chin. Basically from here up. And we decided that that was a square. From there we found our center line. We found our eye line. And then we just kind of put it all together. I'll tell you what, I got this little brush here. I just used this. It's my little makeup brush. Alright, now let's go ahead and do some shadows. So we will add a little bit of shadow to the drawing. And for that part, guys, you can use a gray. So I have a little gray marker here. And I'm just going to add some shadows here. Okay. So that's like a little shadow on the side of the face there. I'm going to go one that's a little bit lighter than that for the inner face. I don't want it to be too dark. So we'll do like this here. I know you can hear it kind of squeaking against the paper. Nothing like the sound of markers going against the squeal of the paper. Such a pleasant sound. Okay, so we're almost done, guys. We're almost done. Just putting some little shadows in. Okay. Let me grab this marker here. Okay. And then one other line we're going to make here. We're going to make these little lines like this. Okay. He actually has two of them. So I'm gonna abbreviate, kind of make it look like that. Let's go ahead and color in our eyebrows real quick. Okay. And now the last part of our drawing, we'll just go ahead and take our little crayon, or we can use a marker here. And we're gonna do our little hair here. So we're gonna follow the same pattern we used. To do the hair here. I'm just gonna use it to color in this piece here like that. Oh, so that came out awesome. Arnold's having a good hair day. And then we'll just kind of color this part in. Okay, see how we did that? Super awesome. And then last but not least, guys, I want to color in his Terminator jacket here. Okay. So guys, pretty much we got our drawing down to a science. We are done. We are completed. We are finished. I want to take this time to thank you for watching our little video tutorial on how to draw the Terminator. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you guys would like us to draw a video of your favorite celebrity or person, you can message us here at the YouTube channel. We'll see what we can do to teach you how to draw their picture and create a special memory for you too. Also guys, if you're interested in taking our online caricature class, we are accepting enrollments now into our online class. So if you want to learn how to caricature like a pro, go ahead and reach out to us at Rowserworld.com/classes and go ahead and get enrolled, guys. Classes are filling up real quick, so we'd love to have you. Guys, thank you for watching, and you have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.